hear that? Can you hear those lawn people? Whatever. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say thank you to all of you who reached out to me after my last video. You know what a trying time my city has been through, and I was overwhelmed by like your sweet DMs, your messages. It really, you know, it's sometimes really great to know that there's way more good than bad in this world. So thank you. All right, let's get on to today. It's all about K18, and I never really sought this out. So for those of you who don't know, K18 is a leave-in molecular repair hair mask, and K18 actually refers to the specific peptide that is used to do the hair repairs. All right, so here I was in Sephora. It was the end of the Sephora sale, and my favorite Sephora friend, Amanda, recommended this to me, and I was like, this is a ½ ounce, and it's $29. I get it. I'm going to save my 20% on top of it, which saved me like, what, $6 almost? So around $23 for a ½ ounce. I was like, seriously, Amanda, $29 for ½ an ounce? Are you kidding me? She was like, listen, if you don't like it after you try it once or twice, return it. And I always forget, you know, you can return things at Sephora. I don't always do it. I pass things on. But I thought, all right, if this doesn't work, I'm definitely going to return it. Well, what happened was I ended up buying the full size. So here's the tale of a girl who's into hair, skin, and makeup. And this right now is all about hair. Now, for those of you who know, the full size, which is 1.7 ounces, is $75. Now, don't go losing your minds. I didn't spend $75 cash on this. I actually had a ton of Sephora points, which I was able to turn in for the $100. It's like I don't know, it's a perk that I think is for VIB Rouge, although it might be for everybody. If you save your points and you get up to, I think it's 2,500 points, you can turn them in and you kind of buy or whatever, redeem for a $100 certificate for the store. It's good for 90 days. So I redeemed mine when it was available, and I've been holding on to it for something that I knew I wanted, but I didn't want to spend the money on, and it turned out to be this. So right off the bat, I want you guys to know that the only thing in my hair today is the K18. There are no other styling products. You know how I love my JVN, my Lola V. Those aren't in today, just the K18. All right, let me tell you what the fine folks at K18 say. It's a leave-in treatment mask that reverses damage. It has a patented peptide technology to repair damage from bleach, color, chemical services, and heat. It restores strength, softness, smoothness, and bounce. And I mean, look at me. My hair always feels like strengthened. I don't really do a ton to it. Yes, I do go for highlights and my haircut every 8 weeks. And because I do that, I don't get like a ton of breakage. However, my ends, they are what they are. Like, they're highlights that have grown out. And by the time they get down here, they're ready to go. So every 8 weeks is what works for me. All right, so what they say about the K18 peptide is that it is right-sized to make it fit into like your hair strands and reconnect the broken keratin chains. Now, the way you use it is you use it 4 to 6 washes in a row. So you shampoo your hair and you do not, absolutely do not condition. The conditioner that you use will actually leave a buildup on your hair, and the K18 needs to have completely clean hair to penetrate. Fine. Although I hate not conditioning my hair, I did as asked did I do it 4 or 5 days in a row? I can't even remember at this point, but here's the thing. It says on here to use, what does it say? 3 pumps and add more as needed. Now, here's where the controversy comes in, because when I went to read the reviews about this on Sephora, people were either in love or they hated it. And it turned out the people that loved it loved the K18. The people that hated it love Olaplex. And for me, I don't love Olaplex. It didn't work great for my hair, so I'm glad that this has. However, 3 pumps, nope, 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 nope. You actually have to use the right amount for the right amount of hair that you have. I think the 3 pumps is for people who have short hair. For me, 3 pumps will get like the very ends of my hair, and that's how I start out. I actually do the 3 pumps, and then I just start on the ends and I work it in. Then I go in for 3 pumps more, work that in, and I pretty much go for another 2, maybe 3 pumps, but 8 pumps total is actually what's been working for me really well. So I did this last week, 4 days in a row, and my hair felt and looked great. I had no styling products in it, which sometimes I do like to give my hair a break from styling products, almost like I don't know, I feel like I'm letting it clarify itself with just shampoos and not putting more and more products on top of it. Who knows? That's just the way my brain works. Anywho, I've used this 5 times now. I used it 4 times last week, and you're supposed to, after you've used it your 4 to 6 times in a row, then you're supposed to only use this for maintenance. So for me, I'm going to try using it once a week for maintenance. So far, it's been used 5 times, and I don't know, do I have any left in here? Yes, I do. I'm wasting it to show to you guys. Do you see that? It is just like a light gel texture. It's almost a little creamy, so it doesn't feel sticky. It goes in my hair beautifully, of course. And once it's been completely like spread throughout my hair, I then go in with the hairbrush just to make sure it's completely like all over all the strands. And then the directions, instructions say to leave it for 4 minutes. No big deal. I go on to my skincare, I come back to it, and I blow dry as normal. I haven't been adding any other products, like I said, so this is my hair. I used it today, and I am super happy with it. For me, this is what my hair looks like after I first had it trimmed, so it's like good like this for a week or so. This is me right now. I think I'm at week 5 since I've had my last haircut. I have another 3 weeks to go. You wouldn't even be able to tell. Now, here's the thing. I'm not telling you you need to buy this. No one needs a $75 hair mask. I'm assuming I'm going to be able to get through this by the next Sephora sale. So when I go to buy my next one, I'll get 20% off. At least that's my hope. If I'm only using it once a week for the next, I don't know, when does Sephora usually have that sale? In like October? So I might be able to make it. Now I still have a little bit left in here. I don't know how much is left in here. I can't see inside of it, but I will of course, you know, use it until it's all gone before I open my new one. But this is one of those things that I hate because sure, I spent money on it and I wanted it to work, but now I love it and it works great and it's flippin' expensive. So I am not telling you you need K18 in your life. I will say, if you have hair that's been heavily processed, if it's very dry, if you suffer with a lot of breakage, if you do a lot of heat styling, you may want to give it a try. There's a travel size that's even smaller than this, and I think it's like $12. You probably get 1 or 2 uses out of it. Otherwise, this one is $29. Still, even though it's so damn tiny, for me, it's been worth the $29. But here again, it depends on how much hair you have, how long, how thick. I have friends who have very like thick hair. They may end up using way more than I do. And I have friends that have like finer hair than I do. They may use less than I do. But if you are anything like me, I mean, I have a lot of fine hair. It is what, medium length? For me, 8 pumps is what's been working perfectly. And of course, the best part, my hair still looks like this tomorrow. Yeah, today's day 1. I won't have to wash it tomorrow. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to try and not wash it. You all know how I am about that. However, the K18 keeps my hair looking so good that I don't have to wash it. And you know, I've been finding other new dry shampoos that I'm totally in love with, so that helps too. But as of right now, my hair's going to look like this tomorrow. All right, friends, short and sweet. It's a lot of money. My hair looks great as far as I'm concerned. You let me know in the comments below if you think I'm out of my flippin' mind or if you're like, God damn it, I have to try that. I know, I'm sorry. I did not mean to do this to you. I honestly thought I was going to try this and be like, meh. Turns out, no, I love it. And to those of you who are new to my channel, hello, my name is Jennifer. I am into all things hair, skin, and makeup, like I said before. If that sounds like you, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. You know you're going to come back for more. And to all of you, make sure you ring that notification bell. I do upload Wednesdays and Fridays, but I try to give you a bonus Monday every now and then. So if you don't want to miss that, hit that notification bell. All right, friends, that's all I have for you in hair today. Do me a favor, hit that like button and come back for more. And as always, I want to thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah.